From concept to classroom, COLTEC is shaping the future of learning and collaboration. With global reach and a commitment to innovation, we bring advanced display technology to the world. At our state-of-the-art facility, precision begins at the assembly line. Every component is handled with care as our teams transform complete knockdown kits into world-class interactive flat panels. Skilled hands bring each panel to life, from integrating the core electronics to assembling frames and finishing every detail. It's craftsmanship, supported by advanced processes and global manufacturing standards. Before reaching our customers, every panel is rigorously tested for display clarity, touch precision, sound performance, and connectivity. This commitment to quality ensures COLTEC panels deliver reliability every time. COLTEC products are compliant with leading global standards and certifications, including ROHS, FCC, CE, ISO, and many more. Once approved, panels are securely packaged and shipped worldwide. From our factory floors to classrooms, training centers, and enterprises, COLTEC delivers advanced solutions ready for global impact. COLTEC serves education, corporate, government, healthcare, hospitality, control rooms, and many more industries, empowering smarter communication everywhere.